In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device and tap on that profile icon down in the bottom right corner. It should look something like this when you get to that page, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Next, you're going to see an option for Account up at the very top. Go ahead and select that. And from here, if you scroll down, you're going to see an options for deactivate or delete account. Go ahead and select that and then wait for it to load, and after it does load, you're going to see an option to delete your account permanently. Select that, and TikTok may ask why you're leaving right here. Just say that, it's for another reason, and you can just type in whatever right here and then hit continue. And from here, you can download your TikTok data if you would like. This can include things like your videos, your profile information, and your history. If you don't need it, just hit continue, and you will get a reminder that TikTok does give you a 30-day grace period. During this time, your account is just essentially deactivated but not permanently gone. And if you log back in within those 30 days, your account can be restored. But if you're sure that you want to delete, go ahead and just continue through this process. It's going to send you a verification code to your phone or email, and then just tap delete account and confirm. That's it though, your TikTok account is now going to be deleted. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.